set to go. Chameleon is the bull. Carston Smith is your cowboy.
Cowboy, let's make it right.
All right, Carston, let's do it. Slide up, take a hold. This is a very large farm animal.
Come on now, bud.
Outside. Come on, slide up. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
Finish! 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 Finish!
Yeah, we got him road. Nice job as we get the score coming to us from our two judges. Now, we told you they do not have to mark them out, just have to stay there for the 8-second ride. And our cowboy did what he was supposed to do. Now our judges, they do their arm signals down from the other side.
Awesome.
Thank you.
How about coming up?